Hello friends! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WordPress Admin Ajax error step by step. If you're getting an error like failed to load admin-ajax.php or your site is slow or not working properly, don't worry. I'll help you fix it. Let's start. First, what is admin-ajax.php? It's a file used by WordPress for background tasks. Many plugins and themes use it to send and receive data without reloading the page. If it gets blocked or stops working, you may see errors or things not working on your site. Now, here are the main reasons for the error: plugin conflict, theme problems, low server memory, CDN or firewall blocking the request server, or hosting rules. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check plugins. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Deactivate all plugins. Then activate them one by one. See which plugin is causing the error. Remove or replace that plugin. Step 2. Change the theme switch to a default theme like 2024. If the error goes away, your old theme was the problem. Step 3. Increase memory limit. Go to your website files using File Manager or FTP. Open the wp-config.php file. Add this line: define wp memory limit 256 MB. This gives your site more memory to work smoothly. Step 4. Check Browser Console. Right-click on your site, click Inspect, go to the Console tab. Look for any red error related to admin-ajax.php. If you're using Cloudflare or a security plugin, make sure it's not blocking this file. Step 5. Contact hosting support. Sometimes your hosting provider blocks the file with security rules. Ask your hosting team to check if admin-ajax.php is being blocked. Bonus tips: keep your plugins and themes updated. Use lightweight plugins. Don't install too many unnecessary tools. Clear cache after making changes. That's it. Now you know how to fix the WordPress Admin Ajax error easily. If this helped you, give this video a like, comment your problem below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.